Front loader washer won't spin. If your front load washer is not spinning, it could be caused by several issues. Here are some common causes and possible solutions. 1. Overloading. Overloading the washer can cause the machine to become imbalanced and prevent the drum from spinning. Reduce the load in the drum and redistribute the clothes evenly. 2. Obstruction. An obstruction in the drum or pump can prevent the drum from spinning. Check for any foreign objects, such as coins, buttons, or small items of clothing that may have fallen into the drum or pump. 3. Drive belt. A worn or broken drive belt can prevent the drum from spinning. Check the belt for wear or damage and replace if necessary. See link for full video in the description below.